checking things out, do a little video shooting. Got the Aquatic Artists trucks taking over the neighborhood. 3 of them out front looking good. Let's see what Eric's got going on in the backyard. This is day 1 on our renovation. Pretty tricky renovation, a lot of moving parts. So let's see how the man is doing. The Godfather, Eric. There's King Edgar right there, another one of our master project managers. Look at this. Got rocks, got the slide in. Okay. Here goes. So like I said, this is a renovation and we're working on an existing pool. And like I said, this is a really tight spot, right? So we got to bring material around here and around that side. So the only thing we can do is the whole job's got to be built with this small machine, this small Toro Dingo, compared to a big skid steer. So where it also gets tricky when it comes to these kinds of projects is you can see this is a big slide. It's a deluxe slide. It's 15 foot long, 6 foot high. And you can't use a bunch of little tiny pebbles when you build this thing. You got to use nice size rocks. So the tricky part here is you need rocks that are big enough to look good, but small enough that you can move them in place with a small machine. So we got to build our way out. We got to start in the back, and we got to build our way out. And anybody in construction will tell you it's tricky to do that because you got nowhere to work, really nowhere to work in this thing. So should be cool. Stay tuned.